In this video, we will review how to use the Student Success and Retention Profile for the students at Orange Coast College. As with our other dashboards, there is a set of filters on the far left. Here you can filter by PRU if you are working with other departments on a program review. You can also filter by department, by course, or by attribute. In this case, we have honors and non-credit. You can also filter by race, ethnicity, and by gender. Here we see the success and retention profile for all students enrolled from 2017-18 through 2020-21. The orange line indicates the retention, meaning of the students that were in the classroom at census, how many remained at the end of the semester. The blue line indicates success, meaning students that earned an A, B, C, or a passing grade. The area in between the blue and the orange line is the gap in terms of the number of students that completed the class and the number of students who were successful. You can see the different gaps based on ethnicity for success and retention. The larger the pink area, the greater the discrepancy between the number of students who finished class and the number of students who were successful. It's clear that there is a large performance gap for the Black students and for the Hispanic Latinx students. This is what we're talking about when we talk about disproportionate impact of certain race ethnicities. And these are the problems that we need to solve here at Orange Coast College. On the bottom, you can see student enrollment numbers. You can see the student success, again expressed as a percentage, and then again, the retention as expressed as a percentage. You can see that we can also view the data by session type. If you select the button on the top that says by session type, you now see the data displayed day, evening, honors, hybrid, live online, online, and other. Courses offered on campus are found in the categories day, evening, and hybrid. Live online and online are distance education modalities. If any portion of the course was offered live online, it will be categorized under live online. Other represents weekends, special permits, things outside these general categories. You can see that, again, with the retention and the success rates, we did have an improvement for on-campus classes during the 2021 school year. Evening remained fairly flat. With honors courses, the success rate remained the same while the retention slightly increased. You can see the same for hybrid, online, and other. Since we began live online in 2021, we only have one data point. Again, the data is displayed on the bottom in data tables. This is the view for the college at large. If we want to disaggregate by a specific race ethnicity, and let's try Hispanic Latinx to start, you'll notice that the bars change. So I'm going to toggle back and forth and just visually watch. This is the college at large, and this is for Hispanic Latinx. The college at large for Hispanic Latinx. So you can see that overall the success rates across all modalities decreases for the Hispanic Latinx population. Let's take a look for Black students. When we select Black students, you'll see that they also have a decrease in success rates across modalities. But there's a greater decrease. This is the campus at large. Here's Black students. There's a greater disparity in online and other modalities. Again, this is the campus at large. This is for Black students. Another thing that you can do is you can take a snippet of the college at large data and put it over the data for a specific group of students. So here you see the college at large, the different percentages in terms of student success, and here you see what it is for Black students. Notice that for day, there's about a 10% difference, but when we go to hybrid, the difference between the two groups increases quite a bit. Then you can see for live online, 75% versus 67%. For online, 73% versus 55%. Again, a lower success rate, and then again for others. So it's good for us to look at the college at large and compare different groups of students. You could also take this dashboard and compare by gender. So as you look at this data, be sure to disaggregate it to find out where there are differences in success and retention rates, and dialogue with your faculty and with others in terms of strategies to help mitigate these gaps. We can also look by large lecture. Here again we see retention rates represented with the orange line and success rates with the blue line. You'll notice that there is a difference in terms of the different lecture sizes in terms of success and retention. It is hoped that this data will help faculty determine which modality and which lecture size best serves students. If you want to dig deeper, you can look at specific courses to see where there are differences. If you have any questions, please contact your IE faculty coordinator. Thank you.